Edmonton in the winter, lots of snow, that's a given. Cold. And one other thing, dry skin.
Because cold, dense air has basically no moisture in it at all. So any natural oils that would come to your skin are quickly just absorbed or whisked away by the cold, dense air, and then especially any wind.
There's three basic recommendations that we do tend to start with. The first one, of course, is hydration. I mean, your skin is one of your biggest organs, and you want to make sure that it has the water that it needs. And when you're outside in the cold weather, that's definitely going to take a lot of moisture out. If your hands are in, washing your hands a lot during the day, that's going to make a difference as well. So you want to make sure that you're properly hydrated. The second thing that we want to make sure is that you're protecting that skin as best as possible when you're out in extreme weather. So for example, if you're out starting your car or you're shoveling your walk, you make sure that you're wearing gloves. Okay, you've got a jacket on, you're not out there in a t-shirt or things like that. Surprisingly, there's a lot of folks that are. And then the third thing that we recommend is that if you are having troubles with dry skin, after you've done the hydration and after you're doing the protection, then you want to put something on that's going to help to trap that moisture in. Maybe replace some of the oils that you are getting rid of by, hand washing, that sort of thing. And there's a number of different products that you can use for that.
When your skin becomes quite dry, a lot of bad things can happen. First of all, when your skin dries out, the surface barrier, which normally keeps out bad things, can no longer do that. So we're more prone to infections such as bacterial infections, viral, and sometimes even fungal infections. So this is very important to have some type of a barrier protection, either in the form of a moisturizer or a very specific cream that your dermatologist can provide for you.
As we get into the winter months, the relative humidity drops lower and lower and lower, and it is because of the density of the air. It is so cold, it can hold no moisture. So starting around November, when we get our first onset of Arctic air masses, that's when our skin, our hair, everything on us basically is affected by the weather.